This is Rabbit and Turtle story. Once upon a time, there were a rabbit.
Hi, I feel sleepy. I feel very sleepy.
Then he hopped down the hill and met some friends, the pig, the goat, and the cow.
Hi, Hi, Blee Blee.
Hi,
Good to see you. I'm Ross. Let's play together.
Play together.
they met the turtles.
Hi, Taurus. I'm happy to see you.
Hi, Rabbit. I am happy to see you too.
Can you run? Okay, let's have a race.
Fine.
The next day at noon, all the animals come to see the farm.
How are you doing?
Fine. You know what? Turtle is almost 100 years old.
Poor tortoise.
Why don't we start over here? Let me do a line.
Okay. The race were about to start.
Tortoise, are you ready?
Yes,
I'm
I'm
ready.
ready.
At the last, the cow called out.
Ready, steady, go.
I must run fast. I can't win. Taurus is slow. I must run fast.
I must go fast. I can't win. I lost blow. I must hurry.
The rabbit thought ahead and ran quickly for the some time.
Where is the Taurus? Ha ha! I cannot see him. Ha ha! I win.
Turtles just crossed the bridge.
Where is the rabbit? I can't see him. I must hurry. But I am tired.
Rabbit was tired too. Rabbit sat down under the mushroom tree.
Poor guy. Even if I take a lap, he can catch up with me. I feel so sleepy.
Turtles wept heavily. He walked to the mushroom tree where the rabbit slept.
Oh, rabbit is fast sleep, sweet dream. Rabbit, I must hurry.
Turtles were almost the finish line.
Wow, almost at the finish line. I did it. 10 more steps to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Finish.
At last, Turtles won the race.
I am the winner. I come in the first.
You did it, Turtles. You are the winner.
Congratulations.
Where is the rabbit?
What
What
did he
is
do?
he doing?
I lost. Taurus won the race.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
watching and listening.
Listening.